Hyderabad pushed the limits, but now the war for supremacy moves to Mumbai, where the heat isn't just in the competition, it's in the air itself. The scorching sun, the relentless humidity. Will anyone have the endurance to last? Will strength alone be enough, or will strategy decide the champions? Welcome to another electrifying episode of Royal Ranthambore presents the Yodha Race in association with Zuzumong, India's ultimate fitness challenge.
To make sure this battle stays fierce and fair, we are running 2 batches for the day because trust us, the Mumbai heat is unforgiving. This heat will have even the strongest gasping for air. We want athletes to battle it out, not drop to the ground. But don't be fooled, this race will push every last ounce of fight out of you.
Get ready, Mumbai, the race is about to begin. I'm Suraj.
And I am Falak. Oh yes, यहाँ सिर्फ strength नहीं, stamina, endurance and sheer willpower भी test होगा.
The Yodha Race has 5 intense categories tailored for every kind of athlete.
Alright Yodhas, ये सिर्फ एक endurance run नहीं है. This is a multi-zone fitness race.
This is not just about speed, it's about who can endure, who can adapt and who can push past the pain.
And remember, this race isn't just for pride, it's for glory. 25 lakhs का प्राइस पूल है और जो आज जीतेगा वो हिस्ट्री लिखेगा.
बिल्कुल. अगला स्टॉप दिल्ली फॉर द फाइनल्स. यहाँ से 100 मेल compete करेंगे, बट सिर्फ टॉप 25 ही फाइनल्स के लिए क्वालिफाई करेंगे. द प्रेशर इज ऑन.
और जब फाइनल्स का वक्त आएगा तब होगा अल्टीमेट शोडाउन. 25 men and 25 women एक ही गोल के साथ to become the champion of Royal Ranthambore presents the Yodha Race.
It's Ahamasnya Yodha. That means I'm a Yodha.
क्या बात है.
Get ready Delhi because the Yodhas are coming.
ये सब तो ठीक है. Let's see अब तक हमारा लीडर बोर्ड कैसे दिख रहा है after Hyderabad.
Henry has taken control of the leaderboard with a commanding 3-minute gap. He's completely shaken up the race and left the competition chasing his shadow. Arun Kadian, the elite commando trainer from Delhi, who was holding strong at the top with Jay Prakash and Mohammad Asim pushing hard.
Ekta is leading the charge with a stellar 53-minute finish. Right on her heels is Roshni at 54 minutes. Pushing hard to close the gap, Misty, Amber and Sujata from the Hyderabad regionals are in top 5. The competition is heating up. Can anyone challenge Ekta's top spot?
The male single category is about to kick off and you can feel the tension in the air.
आप उनके चेहरों पर देख सकते हैं. स्टार्ट लाइन पर खड़ा हर एथलीट जानता है ये कोई आम रेस नहीं है. This is a battle against the course, against time and against their own limits. Let's start. Royal Ranthambore presents the Yodha Race.
2, 1, go.
The male single race is on!
The adrenaline is kicking in, the energy is electric and they will be off in just moments.
So in Delhi, I got a timing of 55 minutes, 36 seconds. Hyderabad में it was 1 hour 8 minutes. And then I was like, भाई ये क्या हो गया, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा demotivate हुआ, right? कि यार 1 घंटा 8 मिनट आया है, तो वापस अपने आप को सेल्फ में लाना कि नहीं यार मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, है ना? I think that was the main objective. तो मैंने सोचा था एटलीस्ट मुझे 1 घंटे के अंदर आना है.
फर्स्ट रेस इन मुंबई योद्धा, तो उसके लिए मैं विटनेस हुआ, उसके लिए उसमें पार्टिसिपेट होना बहुत बड़ी बात थी.
Look at this! Everyone is fired up and ready to go.
मेरा नाम केसर मिजार है. मैं कराड़ से हूँ, एक पर्सनल ट्रेनर हूँ.
My age is 50. I'm feeling proud that I can compete with people like 20, 25, 30.
The athletes explode off the start line and the first challenge waiting for them. पहले सब 700 meters run करके zone 1 में enter करेंगे.
Zone 1, rowing. This is where endurance meets rhythm, where every pull on that handle has to be calculated for maximum efficiency.
सुनने में आसान लग रहा होगा, लेकिन ये वो मोमेंट है जब सांस तेज हो जाती है और हार्ट बीट फास्ट हो जाती है.
We are from Guwahati, so I have a gym called Team Heroes. My wife and I, we both run the gym. We both participated in this race. Specifically for Yodha race, you can say we started training few months back, 3-4 months back.
आज तो बहुत ही थ्रिलिंग फीलिंग है. मतलब मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि कोई 54 के आसपास करेंगे.
Look at them go! Smooth, controlled strokes. That's what separates the top athletes from the rest. The ones who go too hard too soon, they'll burn out before they even hit the next zone. We already have some early leaders pulling ahead. Who's got the endurance to hold on? Who's going to push past their limits? Zone 1 is done and now the real grind begins. Athletes will run for 700 meters and then enter Zone 2 where strength meets pure willpower.
हाँ, ये वो मोमेंट है जब ताकत की असली परीक्षा होती है। एथलीट्स के सामने है एक भारी स्लेड, मेल के लिए 150 kgs और फीमेल के लिए 100 kgs। अब बस पुश करना है।
The real challenge is just ahead.
ये सिर्फ एक रेस नहीं है, ये एक मेंटल बैटल भी है। कौन अपनी एनर्जी स्मार्टली मैनेज करेंगे? This zone is all about grit and determination.
I would say the sled, push and pull, I wasn't prepared for at all. That was most unexpected. When it comes to actually doing it, it's a different ball game altogether. Because then your legs are already heavy. Then everything else gets tougher. So that was my toughest one.
The core must stay locked in. Every push feels heavier than the last. Keep moving, dig deep and don't let that sled stop because restarting it is a nightmare.
योद्धा रेस का बोला तो मैं बोलता लेट मी टेक अ चैलेंज बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट चैलेंज योरसेल्फ यू विल नॉट ग्रो सो जस्ट पुट माई सेल्फ इन दिस अनकंफर्टेबल जोन एंड दैट इज वेयर आई वाज इन योद्धा।
कई एथलीट्स एक साथ फिनिश लाइन की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं। कौन पहले क्रॉस करेगा? कौन अपनी बॉडी को लिमिट तक ले जाएगा?
This is where toughness is truly tested. The sled push isn't just about brute strength, it's about power, endurance and pure determination.
This is not just about power, it's about control, technique and pure grit. Athletes must grip tight, dig deep and drag a massive weighted sled across 50 meters.
Yatharth has been pushing hard so far. Now it's time to test his grip. Can he keep up the momentum?
आई थिंक हर जोन का एक अलग मजा है, बट मैं जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ राइट नाउ दैट इज स्लेड पुल. दैट हैज बीन स्लेड पुल रेस 1 से.
With every pull, the weight gets heavier, the challenge tougher.
पहले पावर लिफ्टिंग करता था, सो वेट का मेरे को कोई इशू नहीं था, मेरे को रनिंग का इशू था.
If pushing that heavy sled was tough, pulling it is a whole different beast. This challenge is all about technique. Muscle alone won't cut it. By the time they make it through, the entire body will be screaming.
जब मैंने दिल्ली किया था तो आई थिंक स्लेज जो पुल था वो मुश्किल था, बट आज के दिन मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रेनिंग आज वो ठीक ठाक लगा.
The front runners are powering through, barely slowing down as they push towards the next zone. This is where champions separate themselves. Can these guys keep pushing that relentless pace? Buckle up, folks. The female singles race has officially begun and it's going to be an absolute battle to the finish.
So I have a coach. He's been giving me workouts, so I've been following the routine according to what he said.
I feel like this is my second delivery to give birth to myself.
My biggest motivation to join this year was because after having a baby, I felt like, my fitness level is not as much. So this kind of gave me that, push.
बिल्कुल, ये सिर्फ एक रेस नहीं, एक अग्नि परीक्षा है. हर एक कॉम्पिटिटर अपनी पूरी ताकत और स्ट्रेटजी का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. The first challenge awaits rowing.
पहले मैंने मिक्स डबल्स मेरे कोच के साथ किया, तो रोज वर्कआउट्स की स्टेशन है रोइंग, तो 6 वीक्स की जी रोइंग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ताकि हम उसमें बेटर हो.
A fierce start from the athletes as they charge ahead. This is their moment. Months of training, sacrifice and sweat have led to this race. Every stride filled with determination.
ये वो मोमेंट है जब स्टैमिना और स्पीड का असली टेस्ट है. रोइंग ने उनकी ताकत छीन ली है, लेकिन अब देखना है कि लीड कौन लेता है.
Kettlebell carry. This is the ultimate showcase of grip strength, shoulder power and endurance. Haul heavy kettlebells for 200 meters with no drops allowed. Sounds easy? Think again. Every step burns, every second tests your will. Stay strong and stay focused. Now this is where we separate the strong from the struggling. The kettlebell carry may look simple, but trust me, carrying 2 heavy weights for 200 meters is a whole different beast.
बिल्कुल, कुछ एथलीट्स इसे आसान बना रहे हैं. Steady strides, controlled breathing, shoulders locked in place. जैसे इनके हाथों में सिर्फ ग्रोसरी बैग्स हो.
But look at the other side. Some are really feeling the burn. Arms shaking, grip slipping, and those legs starting to give up.
Kettlebell carry, that was, I mean, when we practice, I knew that this is my strength, and yeah, it worked out well.
It's my second attempt. The first attempt I did in Delhi, which was 1 hour 9 minutes. So I was not well that time also. So it was me versus me.
और ये देखो, एक एथलीट रुक के हाथ शेक कर रहा है. हर सेकंड काफी इम्पोर्टेंट है. विल पावर ही आगे ले जाएगी.
Just look at Taranum go. She was the first to leave zone 1 and now she's attacking the sled push like it's weightless.
मगर दूसरे एथलीट्स भी पीछे नहीं है. Can they match her intensity?
I've been dealing with injury. I had 2 knee surgeries, one on each leg. Basically combating my knee injury has been like the biggest challenge so far. But every day is about showing up, and every day counts. So I think that's been my hurdle so far.
Some of these athletes are powering through, driving the sled forward like unstoppable machines.
तो हर चीज़ एक चीज़ को पिक करके कि रोइंग बेटर करनी है, फिर उसके बाद स्लेड पुश है. ओके, स्लेड पुश को अच्छे से उसकी क्या टेक्निक है और कैसे करना चाहिए, और फिर उसके बाद बिल्डअप करते रहो स्ट्रेंथ अपने आप रोज़ किसी चीज़ पे काम करोगे तो इवेंचुअली आपकी स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ेगी.
देखो कैसे सब अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा रहे हैं. This sled isn't just heavy, it's a battle against gravity itself, and every push feels like a mountain.
Box jump zone where explosive power, agility and endurance are put to the test. Athletes must jump rep after relentless rep, pushing their legs to the limit, jumping for 30 times. And when fatigue hits, precision is everything. One mistake and momentum is gone.
ये वो मोमेंट है जब सिर्फ ताकत नहीं, मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ भी टेस्ट होता है. Every jump is one step closer to the finish.
I was not into the race because I know there will be people who will be like athlete 25 years, 30 years. So if you ask me to compete with them, not possible at this. But next year, sure, I will try my best to complete that within 50 or 45 minutes. I can challenge that.
Look at Taranum go. She has just powered through that brutal sled push like a machine, and she's sprinting forward to the next zone.
ये है असली determination. Sled push के बाद भी उनकी स्पीड कम नहीं हुई. That's the mindset of a champion.
Nothing unexpected, just the weather was quite harsh. काफ़ी उसमें ड्रेन हो गए थे.
This is pure punishment in this Mumbai heat.
Most difficult is sled push and pull. Definitely.
Look at them, hands gripping tight, legs digging in. Each pull is a battle against exhaustion.
The toughest zone for me was the sled pull. I think my shoes keep slipping, and I never seem to get, like I keep switching between the form that I want to do. So it's always been the toughest one for me.
बस थोड़ा और. ये वो मोमेंट है जब शरीर कहता है रुक जा, पर दिल कहता है एक और.
That's the mindset of a champion. No slowing down, no looking back.
Some are moving steady, others are struggling to keep their rhythm. The pacers are merciless.
This zone is a brutal test of strength, endurance and stability. Athletes must carry 20 kgs on their back while lunging for 100 meters.
Look at Yatharth's determination, powering through, maintaining perfect form. ये सिर्फ एक मूवमेंट नहीं है, ये एंड्योरेंस और बैलेंस का अल्टीमेट टेस्ट है.
लंजेस थोड़ा बोरिंग है, बहुत लंबा है.
ये वो मोमेंट है जब हर एक कदम एक बैटल फील्ड लग रहा है. 20 kgs का वेट पीठ पर और हर लंजेस के साथ पेन और फटीग बढ़ता जा रहा है.
तो लंजेस सबसे टफ था मेरे लिए. मुझे वैसे ही पसंद नहीं है. मेरे 10 साल के करियर में मैंने कभी भी अपने किसी क्लाइंट को बोला है कि आज लंजेस करेंगे, कि सर ये नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, और आज ये करते वक्त मुझे सबकी याद आ रही थी. मैंने कहा मुझे
टफेस्ट जोन लंजिस था, क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट 3.5 किलोमीटर दौड़ के बाद में लंजिस मारना इज लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट. नॉर्मली लंजिस तो आप मार सकते हो ये 100 मीटर्स, बट आफ्टर रनिंग सो मच एंड डूइंग सम एक्सरसाइजेस लंजिस मारना थोड़ा हार्ड हो जाता है.
Toughest zone, if you ask me, lunges, because what happens when you do lunges, your thighs becomes, packed.
Here they come, charging into the kettlebell zone. This is where grip strength, endurance and sheer determination will be tested like never before.
I thought I'll do the kettlebell carry in one, without keeping the weights, but I had to keep it after every, 10 meters.
हाथों का दम और विल पावर का असली इम्तिहान होता है. 16 kgs केटल बेल दोनों हाथों में, और अब इन्हें 200 मीटर्स तक ले जाना है.
Look at Taranum, she's grabbing those kettlebells like they weigh nothing.
I think it's battling the sun and the dehydration. Like you're preparing for all these things except for the weather.
The wall ball throw. It's all about endurance, precision and sheer determination. Every throw demands power. Every rep drains the body. The shoulders burn, the legs shake, but there's no turning back now. This is where the champions are made. And here we are, the last hurdle, the ultimate test of endurance. This is where every ounce of energy left in these athletes will be pushed to their limit.
कोई एक रैप कर रहा है तो कोई अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा के एक के बाद एक थ्रो कर रहा है.
Don't be fooled. After everything that they've been through, this feels like lifting a mountain.
Wall balls is deadly, man.
I know बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है क्योंकि मैं इस फील्ड में 10 साल से हूँ और बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि यार हम फिट है, पार्टिसिपेट करके क्या होगा. I am telling you, you are not fit, man. And if you are fit, come here. If you are fit, तो फिर मतलब हर्ष क्या है, आओ रजिस्टर करो, prove everyone wrong. I think you are not fit. Prove me wrong.
स्ट्रेंथ और इंड्योरेंस की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है इसमें, मतलब ज़्यादा ताकत की इतने ज़्यादा नहीं, जिसके पास ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ और ज़्यादा इंड्योरेंस उसका है. तो इंड्योरेंस अच्छा बढ़ाने के लिए हमने कार्बो लोड करना चाहिए बॉडी में.
But now the pace is slowing.
Until 30, I gave up. The dust was hitting my face, the ball was hitting my face, and then some voice in my head said, no, you came this far, it's just more, 35, 36, you can do it.
The finish line is right there, but these last few reps must feel like the longest of their lives.
नहीं वैसा, मैंने घड़ी वॉच में भूल के आया था, मैं रात को ट्रैवल ही करके आया तो वॉच मेरा रह गया था घर पे, वॉच नहीं ला पाया तो टाइम का फिक्स पता नहीं था. मैं पहले लीडर बोर्ड ही देख रहा था कि कितना टाइम आया है.
The heat is brutal, the sun merciless, and the box jump zone is testing every ounce of strength.
We don't train under the sun, battling you're not getting access to water when you want to, or like taking a break you require. So that's the most unexpected part of the race.
ये सिर्फ एक फिजिकल चैलेंज नहीं है, ये मेंटल गेम भी है. The exertion is draining them, but their willpower is keeping them in the fight.
This is it, the final challenge, the last few throws and the last chance to push beyond limits.
बस थोड़ी और ताकत. The finish line is in sight, but these wall balls are testing every ounce of their endurance.
And here they come, stepping into zone 6, the lunge walk. This is where every single muscle screams for mercy, but the finish line is still calling.
धूप तेज है, पैर भारी हो गए हैं, लेकिन ये एथलीट्स रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं. Every step forward is a battle against fatigue, but they know this is the home stretch.
Look at them pushing through. Everyone is refusing to back down. Every lunge brings them closer to that final stretch.
पूरा मीन्स वो अलग ही ये रहता है और बाद में भूल जाते हैं क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता. वैसे ही था कि एक लास्ट जो रनिंग हाँ अभी वॉल बॉल है.
Here she is. Taranum has reached the final zone, the wall ball throws. After an intense battle through all the zones, she still looks strong, focused and determined.
ये वो मोमेंट है जिसमें सिर्फ ताकत नहीं, विल पावर भी काम आती है. हर थ्रो के साथ थकान बढ़ रही है, लेकिन अब पीछे हटने का ऑप्शन नहीं है.
Look at them. Their focus is unbreakable. The exhaustion is real, but these women are giving it absolutely everything. 75 reps of pure grit and determination.
This is the first time I'm doing something like this after having a baby. And after having a baby, you know, your body goes through a lot. So you almost like question yourself, can I do it? And I felt so good. I was like, my son, I left him in Guwahati to come here. So I was like, I have to make it worth it. So that was really nice.
They've conquered every obstacle and pushed through the pain, and now as they cross the finish line, their faces say it all. Pure relief and pure victory.
What a race, what a fight, what a finish.
What a moment for Indian athletics. A homegrown fitness competition is now on its way to the finals where the ultimate Yodha will be crowned. Sikandar has taken the top spot from Henry, absolutely dominating the race and leaving everyone behind. Henry now drops to second, and the real shocker, Sikandar is a massive 5 minutes ahead That's a serious gap. And look at Ritiman making his move, climbing into third place, breathing down Arun Kadian's neck. The competition is now heating up. The stakes are through the roof and the podium is still up for grabs.
Tarannum has stormed into the lead, pushing past the competition with sheer determination. But hold on, Sanjana is right on her heels, just 8 seconds ahead of Ekta, who's been dominating the race until now. This is getting intense. With such tight margins, the final is shaping up to be an epic showdown.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the doubles category race presented by Royal Ranthambore is about to begin. And you can feel the anticipation in the air as the teams explode off the starting line. And just look at the energy. This is where teamwork, strategy and endurance all come together.
बिल्कुल, यहाँ सिर्फ ताकत नहीं, coordination भी जरूरी है.
Hi, I'm Sai.
Hi, I'm Nitin.
We basically do CrossFit. So in our box, we've been training for the Yodha program.
So we both are not runners. We suck at it. Very bad.
He's half my age.
The teams have taken their positions and it's all about synchronization now. In rowing, every stroke counts.
Women's double start हो गया है. दोनों एथलीट्स का परफेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन यहाँ बहुत जरूरी है, वरना रेस हाथ से निकल सकती है.
I'm Radhika Chapadia. I am not from Bombay. I'm from UP. I'm a student of law.
Hi everyone. I'm Kriti Bhargav, and I'm also not from Bombay. I'm from Delhi, and I'm currently in second year college from Xavier studying BMF.
दोनों एथलीट्स का परफेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन यहाँ बहुत जरूरी है. जो रिदम में चलेगी वही आगे बढ़ पाएगी.
Hi, my name is Ashna. And I'm Raisa, and we are here from Chandigarh.
Look at them go. The arms are firing, the legs are powering through, and you can see the determination on their faces. And Ashna is out of zone 1. It's time to hit the ground running.
हमारा मिक्स डबल्स भी स्टार्ट हो गया है.
Mumbai rocks!
Some teams are looking strong, finding their stride quickly, while others are struggling to shake off that rowing fatigue.
I think difficulty सब माइंड में है. I think बाकी तो physical strength I think सब में है. मेरे को लगता है कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ये कोई आसान काम नहीं है. More than their own body weight, and they have got to drive it forward.
Ashna and Raisa entering zone 2 to push that heavy sled.
So these are like the movements we usually already do at the gym. So we kind of focused more on the running part because we weren't good at that.
The teams are at the sled pushing with everything that they've got.
I think for me it was the push one where I had to push 100 kgs. That's not my thing, but still we managed to do it.
ये सिर्फ ताकत का खेल नहीं है. यहाँ endurance और strategy भी जरूरी है.
Some are still powering through, step by step.
बेसिकली रनिंग तो हमारा पार्ट है बिकॉज हम मैराथन रनर हैं. हमें मतलब रनिंग में हमारे टाइम बच रहे थे, उसको हम इसमें वर्कआउट में लगा रहे थे.
We did the first all 7 exercises. We note down our weaknesses. But here what happened, for example, the sledge push was a little tough.
This is where the sled push shows no mercy.
गिरने वाले हैं, दुखने वाला है बॉडी, तो ऑलरेडी माइंड में रेडी था कि थकने का है, तो रुकने का नहीं है. लेकिन
Some are still grinding through, inch by inch.
Sledge pull was the toughest for me, I felt. We never practiced sledge pull, so there's no strategy, we did not know. I think what he did was good.
Every push feels heavier than the last.
You shouldn't compare yourself with others, but compete with your own self and be like a better version of yourself.
You can see it on their faces, the pain, the exhaustion, but also the determination. Some are gritting their teeth, digging deep, but refusing to give up.
पार्टनर को सही टाइम पे स्विच करना बहुत जरूरी है, वरना दोनों की एनर्जी खत्म हो सकती है.
जो मुझे लगा कि जो मेरा स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पॉइंट था वो था स्लेज पुल, और वही सबसे टफेस्ट निकला यहाँ पे.
The sled pull is breaking spirits right now. Some athletes are struggling to get even a few inches of movement.
कुछ लोग एक ही स्ट्रेच में कैरी कर रहे हैं, while others are feeling the full weight of this challenge.
जहाँ मुझे लगा कि मैं थक रहा हूँ, मैडम पहले से ही 1 सेकंड पहले रेडी थी, और कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मेरी 1 भी सेकंड वेस्ट है, मैडम की 1 भी सेकंड वेस्ट हुई है. तो जब आपको पार्टनर इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग मिल जाएगा तो फिर सेकंड आने का ऑप्शन कहाँ रहता है.
Athletes are flying through, making it look effortless, but for others, every rep is a battle. The legs are burning, the hearts are pounding, and the mind is screaming to stop.
It's all about finding your own self in this race, and I think we both have found each other, and even as a team.
So this is a true test of fitness because धूप में कड़ी मतलब ओपन में मिट्टी में जो करते हो ना, तो that is the biggest challenge.
देखिए कैसे एक पार्टनर दूसरे को पुश कर रहा है, मोटिवेट कर रहा है। ये सिर्फ ताकत का खेल नहीं है, ये टीम वर्क का भी अल्टीमेट टेस्ट है।
Exactly. One partner is grinding through the push while the other is shouting encouragement.
It could be little challenging if your partner is not keeping up with you. Let's say if she would take more time while doing the lunges, or I would take more time, then it's like for the other person it's too much.
Some teams are dominating while others are struggling to keep the pace.
Look at them. Every throw is taking everything they have left.
For me to be motivated to fitness, I need certain tasks which I told him. Like if I don't have anything, then I'll just go do my 4-5 days of training and come back. There's no motivation to do something.
ये मेंटल टफनेस का असली टेस्ट है। Who can power through the pain?
For me, it was wall balls because it was at quite a height and I think I was very fatigued at that point.
This is it. Every throw is one step closer to victory. Push, push, push. The athletes have crossed the finish line and you can see the pure joy, relief and exhaustion on their faces.
मुझे तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है। कभी स्कूल में भी कुछ नहीं मिला था, स्पोर्ट्स डे भी नहीं, कुछ कभी नहीं। स्पोर्ट्स डे में तो मेरे पैर ही टूट गए थे स्पोर्ट्स डे स्टार्ट होने से पहले।
So while we were crossing, there was another pair that was crossing right with us. So it was like we all came together onto the stage, but this feeling of accomplishment and of doing it together, finally finishing the race, it was like it was all worth it.
What a moment! What a race! This is the spirit of a true Yodha. Against all odds, through sheer determination and unwavering grit, our athletes pushed beyond their limits. Here's finest moment of the day.
This is the first time I'm doing something like this after having a baby. And after having a baby, you know, your body goes through a lot. So you almost like question yourself, can I do it? And I felt so good. I was like, my son, I left him in Guwahati to come here. So I was like, I have to make it worth it. So that was really nice.
The final 100 men have now cemented their position on the leaderboard, and we couldn't be prouder of them all. They have all shown the spirit of true grit, determination and that Yodha mindset. But the journey isn't over yet. The next stop is Delhi for the finals, where 100 men will battle it out, but only the top 25 will advance to the grand finale, like the 25 women who have already cemented their spots at the finals. Who will rise and who will claim the spot among the best?
Stay tuned because this race is just getting started.